This video walks you through how to add a hover effect to an image in Wix. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, make sure you open the correct one before continuing. Once the site dashboard loads, look for the option to enter the editor. Depending on the version of your dashboard, this may appear as Design Site or Edit Site. Click that option to launch the Wix editor and wait for the workspace to open fully. When the editor is on screen, move to the Page section where the image appears. Click directly on the image that you want to update. You want the image itself selected, not the strip, container, or another element nearby. After you click it, the image settings and toolbar options should appear so you can work with that specific item. With the image selected, go to the top toolbar and click the animation icon. This opens the animation settings for the selected image. Inside that panel, find Mouse Effects and expand it to view the available hover options. These effects are triggered when a visitor moves their cursor over the image on your site. Now choose the hover effect you want to apply. Wix provides several options here, including Blur, Tilt 3D, Track, Blob, Track 3D, Airy, Resize, Skew 3D, and Swivel. As you click through them, the image will update based on the effect you select. If you are comparing options, stay with the image selected so you can switch between effects without leaving the panel. After selecting an effect, preview it before publishing. Click Preview in the editor, then move your cursor over the image to test how the hover effect behaves. This is the point where you confirm that the effect activates on hover and looks the way you want on the page. If the result is not the one you expected, return to the editor view, open the same mouse effects section again, and choose a different option from the list. Once you are satisfied with the hover behavior, publish the update. Click Publish in Wix so the change goes live on your website. Publishing is what moves the effect from the editor into the live version of your site, so make sure you complete that final step after testing in preview. Your Wix image now has a live hover effect on your website.